If you don't want asylum seekers and refugees in these European countries, then don't create wars in those countries.
When these people come in, the expectation for my country, and the expectation for any country, I would imagine, for everyone to come in, is that on net, you're going to benefit the country in a variety of ways. I don't think that that same expectation should be levied, though, towards people that are seeking asylum or for people that are fleeing disaster.
The point is, it's about who gets to benefit. That's really the bottom line, isn't it? If Europeans get to benefit, it's okay, no problem. There's no questions asked. You can even build settlements. You can even build settlements, no problem. You can even steal someone's home. If you're a European Jewish immigrant going into Palestine, immigration is fine. But if you're someone coming into the UK, no, there's a discussion about expectations now, actually. If you're seeking asylum, are you? What do you mean seeking asylum? You created these wars. You bombed these people. They're running for their life. And before you come in, tell us what you're going to bring to the table. Is this a joke? Is this some kind of is this satire? This is pathetic, frankly. No argument has been given. We are here because they were there. That's the reality of the situation. Prevention is better than cure. Don't create a disaster and then ask, why is it happening? You created it with your own hands.